Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight markets and the grains continued to work lower. In the beans, we're taking out some important support near the $10 level. Some people blame that on favorable South American weather. Over in the corn, we're rejecting the recent highs, trading a little bit lower. Some people think that's due to concern about export demand. And on the wheat side, we're taking back much of the gains in the last couple of days in the wheat on profit taking, talk that maybe the Russians won't stiffen restrictions on their exports or reduce their exports, and that maybe world wheat demand might slow down. There were two interesting articles overnight. The first talked about how these index funds may be getting out of the grain markets with back-to-back years of lower prices and heavy losses in their long-only positions. Some people think that without their buying or even their selling, markets go lower just based on gravity, and the fundamentals are still, for the most part, negative with especially corn and beans, big world supplies. The second article in the Wall Street Journal talked about how farmers did not sell as much grain in 2014 as anticipated, and that caused some of the funds to see heavy losses who bet that farmers would sell and prices would go lower. So that's kind of interesting articles going on. We did see one big bank come out and say they look for 2015 corn, soybean prices to be lower than they are right now based on the large world supply. No problems in weather in South America. U.S. weather looks mild, and that should help logistics. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite play. She was at the football game last night.